Hello dear Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your February's last week's exclusive love reading. So if you are a Taurus sun, moon and rising, this reading is for you. Whether you're going through a situationship, relationship or complicated marriage, let's see what's going to happen in your love life. I have a few announcements to make, so I will do it in the end. So kindly stay with it. It's regarding new channel and it's regarding the membership. So yes, you have got the postulant and the burning tower. And you've also got the five of stars and the page card. I do see that you have been trying to do something very, very hard, whether that's to start a new relationship or lifestyle, whether that's to end a new relationship, or sorry, not a new relationship, a toxic relationship, but you're not able to do that. So you're overthinking, overthinking, and overthinking. This is causing you depression. You're not able to sleep at night. You're not able to eat well. I do see your health also getting affected, right? Your brain, basically your mental health getting affected. Now, with the burning tower here, I see a major big change coming into your life, like the universe stepping in to clear your path because you're not able to do yourself. So expect unpredictable big changes in your life, something that you never even imagined. You thought that you will end up marrying this person, but the relationship quickly ends. You thought you will never start a relationship with this person, and the relationship starts. So that kind of big changes can happen in your love life, and endings and beginnings are going to happen which will not be in your control. So the card clearly requests you to go with the flow this week. Whatever is leaving your life, whatever is going from your life, let it go. And whatever is coming into your life, welcome it, because that is what is meant to stay in your life in the future, because you are preparing for the next level. Universe is preparing you for the next level, and some people might not be in your life anymore, whether that's family or friends as well. So be prepared and go with the flow. Don't try to resist it, otherwise it will get a very difficult phase for you. Okay, go with the flow is the key for you in the last week of February, starting from February 24th till March 2nd. The other two cards are talking about some sort of separation and hurt that happened, some sort of breakup that happened. I also see you could be dealing with Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, or you could have Aquarius, Capricorn, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising in your own birth chart. I do see that maybe you were trying for some sort of reconciliation or going back into the past with this person, the person who caused you the hurt, the person who lied to you, cheated on you, or did not give you the commitment. It could be that you were in a situationship with this person and you thought that this will turn into something, more committed, but that never happened. I do not see any reconciliation at this point of time, but because the card of unpredictability is here, I can say that whatever, anything can happen. But I do see a new person coming in your life. Now, this person will be loyal. This person will be extraordinary, which means very different from all your exes or the people that you've ever met. I also see that this person, for some of you, could be younger than you, in age, or you could be younger than them. I do see age difference. I do see that this person either will be young or will have a very youthful energy. They will be like carefree, partying, very different from what you normally hang out with or date. So this person will be very different, and at first you might not even start anything, but you will see that this person is giving you the kind of loyalty and commitment which your exes did not, right? So it's going to be a big week. It's going to be a good week, right? So come out of your brain, stop overthinking, stop the depression and everything, and get ready to accept whatever is happening in your life right now. Very important week for you, Taurus. So if you guys resonated with this reading, if you already think that this is happening in your life, please comment, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And I have started membership on my Hindi channel, so you can join that as well, where I will be participating in live Q&A in Hindi. Please, if you would like to book a reading, you can always email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can Instagram me as well on the Moksha Tarot. Now, I would like to tell you a very important thing, that new moon is coming on February 27th. Okay, this is the perfect time to book a ritual, and I do blockage removal rituals. Okay, it can be blockage removal ritual for your love life, for your family life, for your career, or your promotion, or your health, anything. So if you would like to book a ritual, 27th is the day that your ritual starts. So you have to book before it, so that I can give you the ritual. You're prepared with whatever things you need, and you can start the ritual on time. So please make the bookings right now. I'll repeat it again. Either you can follow and DM me on the Moksha Tarot on Instagram, or you can email me at asasharma842@gmail.com. The charges are very cheap, very minimal. You can check the description box. My maximum charge is 1000 rupees and my minimum charge is 170 rupees if you have any questions. So you will see that you will never get a more accurate reading than this, and also at the cheapest price. Why is this cheap? Because I want to reach the masses. I want to help the masses clarify their questions and ask as many questions as possible without, making a hole in their pocket. So that's the motive here. So you guys take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.